In this video, I am going to show you how to count stock using our eStockCheck app. So the stage we are at the moment on the app, we are at the check files. So you would have already generated your stock check within Autopart following your usual procedures. At the top here, we can search for the sheet we are looking for, or we can scan it if we are still printing out. From here, I'm going to select my sheet. I'm going to see there's only one section to this sheet, so I'm going to start counting. This will then show us the bin we need to be at, and we can start by scanning our bin. Here we can see a full list of all of the products that are at the bin, and we have an option now. We can either select the product and start inputting the amount we have, or we can actually scan the product, and each time we scan the product, you see it adds one to the count. Once we are happy that our count is correct, we can confirm the product. We can also scan our product again to go straight to that product, and it's automatically put one in. And again, we can keep scanning as we count. And if we choose to type in a number, this adds to the total. Once we are happy with all the products that are counted, we are now going to select change bin. This marks this bin as counted, and we can complete this count. On to the next page now. We can start again. We can type in our bin or scan if we need to. And again, it takes us to our products, and we can start counting. Once you're happy again, we can confirm these products. You complete this process until you are happy that everything has been checked, and then you return back to Autopart to follow your usual processes.